Hello, guys. Welcome to Healthy Pot. Today, we're traveling to the southeast. We are making okwa. They call it okwa. I think in English is called breadfruit. Yeah, breadfruit. It's very proteinous. I don't know what other tribes call it. This is one of the oldest food I know, and very healthy at that. Very, very healthy. Honestly, the rich have really made it very expensive. Before you could buy a cup of it now, you really search your pockets. So, my dear, let's go into it. My best way of eating this okwa is cooking it without anything, not even salt. Cook it without anything because it has its own natural taste. You can't do without it. Like, seriously, very delicious. But today I decided to make it this way because I believe some people will prefer it this way, isn't it? Tell me the one you prefer in the comment section. I believe the video is self-explanatory, but in case you don't understand, come to the comment section, put it down. I'll be waiting over there for all the questions. And please don't forget to like, follow me, share the videos, and God will bless you. Thank you.
Good.
If you have watched to this level, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Soonest, probably tomorrow. Bye.